the look that I came up with, and I posted it on Facebook and Instagram. I posted it on my social media, and everybody was like giving me such positive feedback, and I really appreciate it, and I wanted to try to recreate it in a video this time with me filming myself. So I'm not sure if I got it exactly the same as before, but hey, it's art. So do you guys think it came out good? What do you guys think about everything? Foundation, or rather the face, the eyes, the lips. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you like bold eye looks, bolder eye looks, whatever, you know, just let me know so that I can give you what you want to see, right? Let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is going to be a fall look today. I thought that it was perfect to do it now because it's right at the beginning of fall. So I'm going to be using the Nubian 2 eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. I will be putting all the colors that I use on the screen. For my transition color, I'm using Jezebel, which is a beautiful wine color. And I'm going to deepen my outer eye with Kenya, which is like a mahogany brown. Check it out. So I use my finger, and it does a little something, and that would be cute in a different look, but not what I'm going for. And then with a dry brush, nope. But when I wet the brush just a little bit, check it out. This is just what I'm looking for, you guys. It's almost like a cream eyeshadow. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm just going to touch up my outer eye with Kenya. You guys, look how beautiful this copper is. It's called Ya in the pack. It is gorgeous. Look at that. It goes with my skin color so well. I love it. I'm definitely going to do more looks with it. So now I'm just going to get my face cleaned with some makeup wipes. Add a little Vaseline to the lips. Got to keep it moisturized. I don't know how people get away with doing their face first and then their eyeshadow. I see those videos all the time. I always have to use the wipes to clean away the eyeshadow that falls all over my face. So I do my eyeshadow first and then my face after. And it's time to moisturize. So today I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. And sometimes when I'm doing my makeup, I do like to apply my creams with a brush. I like the finish that it gives me, that's all. I'm gonna go over that with the L'Oreal Revitalift Miracle Blur. This really blurs the skin and hides texture, giving it a look of minimized pores. It helps your foundation look a lot smoother. Try it. It's really good. No, I'm not sponsored. No, I'm not sponsored. One day, fingers crossed. My foundation today is Maybelline's Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth in the color 355 Coconut. I'm not in the mood to contour my face today, but I will be highlighting my T-zone area with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC45 and set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in 330 Toffee Caramel. Fun fact, Max Cosmetics is a Canadian company. It's founded right here in my city of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Even though I'm not going to contour today, I do want a sun-kissed glow. So I'm going to go in with Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in number 40 Dark Profound. It's not a bronzer, but on me, look at what it does. Just look. Mm. Gonna quickly contour my nose. Even though I was so tired, I was so into this look, and the 90s, early 2000s jams that I was playing was definitely helping the vibes. Thank you guys so much again for joining me for another episode. Please, if you haven't yet, take a moment to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, turn on your notifications so that every time I upload, you will be the first to know. I love this highlighter palette. It's my fave. I'm just gonna keep going back for more, please. More, please. It's the Profusion Highlight Palette. It is thebomb.com. Check it out. And it's so inexpensive. Love it. It looks so natural on my skin, don't you think? And just like that, that's it. Throw on some hair, throw on some hoop earrings, and you're good to go. Let's go. Where are we going tonight? Let's go.